guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a haul, like an autumn winter haul. I've got a couple of bags to show you. Loads of knitwear that I've been buying or like being sent, and lots of different things. So as soon as I did a haul the other day, I thought I'd keep separate all of the like autumn wintry things because I have loads to show you. So I just thought if I broke it up into like seasonal kind of things, then it would be very more manageable than like 1 hour long haul, because no one wants to sit and watch that. Maybe you do. Let me know if you do, because I mean it would save me a lot of time editing if you want a long video. Oh my god, did I just breathe? Anyway, so before I get into it, if you haven't already, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. I do 2 videos a week. I do a haul and then a video on Sunday, and then there's other videos just like sprinkled in amongst them. Who knows when or what I might do. So yeah, so I would love you to have you here on my channel. So I'm just gonna like show you everything, and then while I'm talking about it, I'll like overlay little video clips of me trying them on, and I'll like try and style them up in a way that I will wear them to make it like more fun for you guys and interesting. So it's kind of like styling slash outfits, like what to wear, and also like a little haul. So the first thing I want to show you is this a beautiful bag. So I'll show you the accessories first. I've got this bag that I got from Kate Spade. Literally, I didn't know they were sending me a gift. I literally, one day a parcel showed up and this was inside, and I was literally like gobsmacked because it's the nicest gift, and I love the colour too. And it does actually have a long strap, so you can have it like crossbody or over the shoulder if you wanted to, but I actually really just like it like this, and I love the tones. It looks really nice as it's grey too. I just think it's really nice and autumnal, and just imagine it with like jeans and a chunky knit. And I'll also put a picture in. I've worn it a couple of times with like dresses and things, like more summery outfits, because it also looks really nice with like pinks and just so many things. So yeah, loving this bag at the moment, and you can fit loads in it, and it's got like a little zip compartment too, which is good, very handy. So the next accessory I'll show you is my little hat. This is from Accessorize. I've actually got one like pretty much exactly the same from Shein from last year, but it's getting a bit bobbly and I had to pick things for a collaboration, so I picked a new one of these because I really liked them last year. So I just think they make everything, I will be honest, it's more of like a photo thing, but I do think that they make everything look good. So I got one of those, and then I also got another handbag which was a gift, and this actually only came today. So it's from the brand LME or LM. Can you see? I don't know how to say it, LME or LM. And so they sent me, if you saw my wardrobe tour, they sent me a bag in summer. Oh, I need to step back, I'm too close. They sent me a bag in summer, like a little white one, which was really cute. So they just sent me one from their new autumn winter collection, and it's so nice. I got to pick actually, so I have a few really nice styles, but I picked this one because it really reminds me of like the kind of vintage bags that everyone is going for at the moment, like all the vintage like Fendi baguettes and stuff, which I really like. But then it's got like this lovely gold detail, and it's just like got loads of attention to detail, and it really reminds me of kind of like Celine, like really clean and crisp, which I love. And then it's in that colour again, and I've actually just knotted that, which is quite controversial I guess, but you don't have to. Oh, you could also like double the strap round because it's got these loops. I think there's loads of different ways to wear it. Like there's always different ways to wear the bags, and you can also take the straps off so you can have it as like a little clutch. But I wanted to have it as short, and I quite like it with the knot, and I just thought it looked really cute like short like that, or just like on the hand, or like held like this. But yeah, I really like that. I think it's so nice, and they are like higher end, but I don't think they're like outrageously expensive. So I'll link everything below from this video, so I don't need to keep saying that. But something else that I have got, and I haven't actually tried on yet, and I'm literally like, I know it's going to be disastrous, is this jumper from Other Stories, and I'm literally obsessed. It's got the biggest V, it's gorgeous, it's soft, it's cream, what's not to love? But basically Lorna just uploaded a picture in it, and she said she got extra small because it's really oversized, and I got, ladies and gentlemen, a medium because I thought I want it oversized, but it already is oversized, so I should have got a small or an extra small. So, but we'll see, it might look nice on anyway. Then next I picked up this blazer from Other Stories, and I really like this. So I actually wanted it to be a bit more oversized than it is, but then I've been trying it on a couple of times with different outfits, and I actually think that this is a good size, because even though I do really like the other oversized ones, like this is still oversized, but not, I got it in a size, so I bought it so it would be oversized, so I got it in size 10. Anyway, I thought it was gonna be different to what it is. I love it anyway, is the main point of what I'm trying to say. But I love the colour, I think it's gorgeous, and it's so nice with like cream and like denim and black and everything. So I'm a huge fan of this. I think I'll be wearing it a lot, and I think it'll look nice layered under like a trench coat too, like all the different beige tones. Another blazer that I got, I've cut my head off. I don't know how to not cut my head off in this video, so apologies. Another blazer that I got was this one from Revolve, and this is actually a blazer dress. And I've worn this already, so I put a picture in, but then obviously you'll see me like overlaying it. But it's a blazer dress, and it's got like this mismatched kind of, like this side is like a browny tone, and then this side's like a grey tone, so it's like mismatched coloured prints, and I love it. It's from Lovers and Friends. It's really cute, and I wore it in Verona actually. It was quite warm because it's warm there at the moment, but I think I would wear this as a coat too, because it's like a bit longer, or like a long blazer, so it's quite multifunctional. Multifunctional, what am I saying? Multifunctional. And yeah, I think I'll get loads of wear out of it. I've already worn it once, and I think it's really sassy as well, like smart and like clean edges. So this is definitely a good one to have, and I think it'll be so nice in autumn winter. And blazer dresses like seem to be popping up everywhere at the moment. Okay, now we're getting to knitwear, and I've literally got so much knitwear. I got a bit excited about knitwear season. So I got this one from Revolve, from Madrell, and I got it in a large. I just want it to be like off shoulder and stuff, and it is, and it's really cute, and it's got like black spots in it, but they're like pom-poms and they stick out. It's really cute, and then they've got like puff sleeves. If you want to see this like in motion, then I wore it in my wardrobe clear out video, which I'll link here, so you can see it on. Obviously I'm going to try it on anyway while I'm talking here, but I just mean like if you want to like see it for a long time period kind of thing. I don't know what I'm saying, it doesn't make sense. It's really nice. Now we have another jumper from Revolve, and I ordered this one in a large again because I feel like their jumpers can come up really like, they look amazing on, and then you can order them and be like, oh my god, is this made for a borrower? And I love an oversized knit, like everything oversized. So I got this in a large, and it's huge, but I love it, and the colour is so nice. It's such like a nice washed out kind of salmony pink, if you will. I really like it. I know I've said that already, but I do really like it, like really like it. Then, you guessed it, another knit from Revolve. So this one I did actually get in my normal size, which I'm like, why did I do that? Because I think it would be nicer oversized. It's like a really simple plain jumper, but then it's got this really nice sleeve details, and you can actually unbutton them and have them open, which is quite nice, because usually these things are like literally just for decoration and they've got no function whatsoever. But I haven't actually tried this one on yet, whereas the other two I have tried on and worn, whereas this one I haven't even tried on, so we will see what I think of it. Then the last thing I've got from Revolve is this body. I actually already have this body in white. Don't know if I showed you this in a haul or not. If I haven't, then like I'll put a picture in now. I thought I'd already shown you it, which is why I didn't include it, and now I'm thinking how many other things I've like not included that I needed to show you guys. But oh well, from now on everything will be up to date. But yeah, anyway, I got the white one and I loved it, so I ordered it in black too. It's really soft, like ribbed jersey kind of material. It's got really nice long sleeves, which I wholly appreciate. It's a body, but it's got poppers on the bottom, which is very important because no one wants to have to pull it to the side to go to the toilet or get naked. Like, neither option is ideal. And you can button it all the way up, or you can button it all the way down and be super slutty. And I just think it's like something, a good basic that you can put with anything for any occasion. So I also got this skirt, which is from Bershka, and it really reminded me of the Zara one. Not surprised, because Bershka I think is owned by the same group as Zara, so it's kind of like not a surprise that they've got similar stock. But I really liked all the like kind of mismatched plaid. Was it like checks? I don't know. But I thought it was cool, and it's got like a little black patch. It's just like a little skater kilt skirt. I really like it. Kind of reminds me a bit of like Britney. But I feel like these are really in at the moment. Like I mean, if Zara's got them, then they're in, right? So I got this next thing from New Look. I get a voucher from them every month, and I just saw it and was like, that looks cozy. And I've got a million cardigans and cream things, but I'm still gonna get it. It's just got these really nice big buttons. I mean, they could be nicer, but I love the fact they're like big chunky buttons. It's like cream ribbed, it's so soft, and they've got one really similar on other stores. I'm guessing it's like thicker material, like more of a fisherman knit, and it's probably got nicer buttons. But this one's from New Look, so undoubtedly it's going to be like super cheap, and I got it in large. And I was planning on wearing this as like a jumper, so like leaving the cardigan done up and then having it like off shoulder. So you will see when I style it, but I really like this. It's so soft and it's like just the comfiest. Okay, next I have to show you something that I literally did not see myself ever ordering, but I just saw them and was like, I'm gonna try it. Because do you know what, I keep thinking that this is a really tacky trend, like, sorry for saying it, but I'm about to also change my mind, so it's fine. I thought it was a really tacky trend, but I've seen there's so many people wearing it and they look really good in it. So I've ordered some black ones, I've ordered some camel ones, and then I also ordered some snake print ones, so I think that will look really nice with that jumper. So I don't know how see-through these look, like they're gonna be extremely see-through, like, can you see? But we'll see whether you see my knickers or not. And yeah, I'm gonna try them on. I'm gonna give them a go. Gonna give them a go. Then finally is this Free People dress, which I am planning to wear to London Fashion Week. And this is from Free People. Did I just say Free People? It's like a sweatshirt that they've just kind of like added some like darts in, so it's like a corset kind of style vibe thing they've got going on, and I really like it. It's got like puff sleeves. I just really like the grey. Honestly, like, you can't see it, it doesn't look like much on the hanger. I'm hoping it looks good on me, because on the model it looked incredible and I was just like taken with it, which is exactly why I ordered it. But I just like, it's like a bluey grey. I just think it's really pretty. So this is what I'm hoping to wear on Saturday or Monday to LFW. I have one more thing to show you guys, and it is a pair of boots, and they are really cool. Too cool for me, I think, but I don't know. I've only tried them on to wear once, and I was like, no, I can't wear them, they're too cool. But I'm hoping I will wear them. I just have to like plan them in an outfit. But they are so nice. I think they look nice with jeans. I was going to wear them with this kilty skirt, and I was just like, oh, I feel a bit like Avril Lavigne. So yeah, but I think with jeans these will look really cool, or with like a jumper dress like what I'm wearing now. This jumper dress and these boots will look really cool, I think, actually. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll show you everything on, and things like this I'll show you in the mirror. But FYI, the house is a stake because I'm moving, so please do not judge that I'm a disgusting messy person, okay? But anyway, these boots are from Stradivarius. They were like £40, I think. They are so cool. They've got left and right written on. Anyone who doesn't know left and right, these are the boots for you. And also they have cream laces and black laces, so you can choose, or you can have both. But they don't actually do up by laces. They've got a zip, which is super handy. And I actually wore them for like 10 minutes. Not long, I know. I'm so close again. Not long, I know, but they were so comfortable. Am I shouting? Sorry, guys. They were so comfortable that I was like, these are going to be really comfy, because I was going to wear them to London Fashion Week. It still might, but I was like, if they're really uncomfortable, then I'm not going to. But I think I will, because they weren't uncomfortable. So that was the most interesting story ever told by man. So I hope you guys enjoyed my autumn winter haul, my transitional haul. Let me know what your favourite pieces. I honestly think my favourite pieces are these two and this bag. Like, this bag is so gorgeous. Honestly, it looks so luxury. I like the little ding it makes as well when you do it. And I also love this pink knit from Revolve. And also this jumper is new. It's actually a jumper dress, if you can see. So just in case someone's looking in the mirror, like, she's not put trousers on because she's in a video, but I, like, not because I'm in a video, because you couldn't see from here, but I was like, no, it's a jumper dress. I don't know why I said, I was like, guys, this is the third video I filmed today, and also I've been on my own with dogs all day, and I'm a jabbering person anyway. If you watch my videos, you know, and I just think that the only people I've spoken to today are my dogs, and I'm going a bit crazy. So anyway, apologies about the craziness. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favourite pieces are. Let me know what you think. there's loads of things coming soon to the channel. I'm obviously going to London Fashion Week, which I'm vlogging now, so I'm vlogging again, so they will be up. And yeah, I've just got loads of videos planned and I can't wait to share them with you guys. So I hope that you will subscribe for those. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell so that you know when I upload a video, because apparently even if you're subscribed, it doesn't actually show in your subscriptions box unless you have notifications on. Just learned that the other day. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and hit notifications and give this video a thumbs up and comment, and then you are free to do whatever you please. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.